All right, welcome back after spring break. Hopefully, you can remember how to do Python programming after taking a whole week off. It's a little bit like getting back in the gym after taking a break from exercising, except it's your brain that needs exercise. Um, Today, we're going to jump into object oriented programming. We have two modules left of sort of like new instructional material or new territory to cover with Python. After that, we're going to move into some fun projects that I hope you will enjoy as much as I do. And those will make use of what you've learned throughout the semester. So those will be kind of the culminating things. If you want to start thinking about those projects, you can always go and look ahead and see kind of what they are and what those modules are about. So if you're interested in doing a little bit of extra on some of those, or maybe going a little bit of a deeper dive, bless you, on some of those, then you're always welcome to look ahead and kind of see what's there and see what those projects are all about. But with that, let's get into object-oriented programming. Now, this is sort of what most people use in their regular programming for most advanced programs. So this is a very common way of programming. And what we've done so far is commonly referred to as functional or procedural programming, where basically our code just sort of follows a path through our program, and that path may split if we have if, elif sort of scenarios, or it may we may use custom functions to do like little side quests, and we may do loops. But basically, the program is just sort of following steps. Those steps are more advanced than when we started the class and just went line by line by line through the end of the program. But it's still functional. In this case, we've moved to a different way of thinking about our programs that is called object-oriented programming. And basically, we're creating code objects that become the focus of what we're doing. So why would we want to do that? So object-oriented programming is all about putting the data that our programs use together with functions that are specific to that data to group everything in a way that makes things simpler to debug. It makes our programs more scalable. It makes us more powerful as programmers. So it's easier, but it's also more powerful once you get the hang of it. Now, I will warn you up front, sometimes the shift from functional thinking to object-oriented programming can feel like a big mental shift. And in fact, I think for me, because I did a whole lot of functional programming before I started using object-oriented programming, the biggest thing was like actually understanding the value of it. And I didn't really understand the value of object-oriented programming. Even if I understood the theory of it, I didn't understand the value of it as much until I started doing actual work with it. And then I thought, okay, the light bulb kind of went on, and I could see why that was useful.